Hi boys and girls! Today for problem solving you will be working on this problem about carrots. Now at first glance it looks like a lot of numbers and a lot of information, but remember we've been talking about slowing down, thinking about what we know, and what is the question actually asking us before we just start doing a whole bunch of things to any of the numbers that we see. It's going to be very important today that you make some kind of table or graph or something to organize the data that you're being shown, which is exactly what it suggests here in the problem. Please be sure to read from top all the way to the bottom and be able to explain your thinking with words and showing some kind of model or graph or something like I had said before. We have talked about mode. We have talked about different types of tables and different types of graphs. So think about those things as you go into answering this question. As we've been reflecting on our math, some of us have really been expressing the want to try some of these problems before just stopping and saying, I can't do this. Yes, you can. You can do this. Have a positive mindset about it and really give it a good try before you come and ask for help, because you can do this.